So guys, welcome back to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC Physics Exam Revision Series, we have here these 5 WAEC repeated questions to answer on the topic electromagnetic field. So guys, this video will be about eddy currents. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, which of the following devices does not make use of eddy currents for its action? A/N. A. Induction coil. B. Galvanometer. C. Speedometer. D. Induction furnace. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. The galvanometer does not make use of the eddy currents. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 2 here. It says, the reason for laminating the soft iron ore of a transformer is to A. Reduce its efficiency. B. Reduce the magnetic flux. C. Increase the magnetic flux. D. Reduce eddy currents. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. The reason for laminating the soft iron core of a transformer is to reduce eddy currents. And that's option D here. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 3 here. It says, eddy currents can be reduced by A. Creating holes in the metal plates. B. Using coil of high resistance. C. Using coil of low resistance. D. Winding the coil on a soft iron core. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. Creating holes in the metal plates. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 4 here. It says, a core of a transformer is usually laminated in order to A. Reduce magnetic flux leakage. B. Prevent vibration of the transformer. C. Making magnetic reversal in the core much easier. D. Reduce eddy currents. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, and that's to reduce eddy currents. So let's go ahead and consider the next and last question, guys. So that's question number 5 here. It says, in which of the following activities is an induction coil not useful? We have A. Operation of X-ray tubes. B. AC power transmission. C. Study of electric discharge. D. Investigation of high voltages. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, AC power transmission. So guys, that's it for this question. Option B is the answer to this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. Here we post major updates on WAEC examination. So guys, this will help you a lot even as you prepare for your WAEC examination for the year. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.